No.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to come on here for a second and kind of talk about something. I've been like really on top of videos lately and pretty consistent, and my schedule just got messed up where I have to film a video today or I'm not going to be able to be consistent anymore. And I didn't have anything like planned for today, so I figured I'm gonna vlog, but I just don't know how many times you guys are gonna want to watch me clean my house and cook dinner and sometimes mess dinner up. Like, I don't know. Also, today I told myself I wasn't gonna put on makeup, but at least it's skincare at the same time, and this is all I'm putting on. I just felt like I looked so dead without it, to be honest. The issue is now I want more, but I'm not going to. And I'm gonna clean my house and cook dinner again. This time I am gonna try not to overpower my voice with music. Sorry about that last time. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into my day. I'm gonna start my day out with some coffee and some Raisin Bran.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I like to love you, love you.
Okay, now that I know what I'm having for breakfast and I'm kind of eating breakfast, I already know what I'm making for dinner, and I'm making chicken legs and sweet potato waffle fries, just the frozen pack. So I already know what I'm making for dinner, so I already know I don't have to worry about dinner, that I already have everything all figured out. This is how I like to spend my off days. I kind of like to just like clean the house and do laundry. That's why all my vlogs are like this. Like, I just like staying home. I don't really like going out by myself. I like going out with people. I just figure I prefer to stay home when I'm off work and no one's off work with me. So why not do work around the house that needs to be done? I'm here anyways. It saves me money, because if I go out then I'm going shopping or spending money or something. So that's why all my vlogs are like this, like just cooking and cleaning dinner. It's fun.
I like to love you night and day. If I may. I like to I like to love you every day.
First things first, I'm going to do something I've been putting off for a long time and take care of my plants outside and inside. The funny part is I've been wanting to buy new plants, but I have 4 dead plants. So I'm not sure that I should, but we'll see. Let's go take care of them. collect any laundry that I need to do and start the laundry. I also need to empty the stuff I left in the dryer and rerun the stuff I left in the wash machine. Awesome. For the laundry to be done, I went ahead and straightened up the kitchen. Now I have the little robot vacuum running in here. I love this thing. I just have it barricaded with this and my quartz barricaded with shoes. Just have the robot vacuum running, getting the floors all nice and clean. And now I'm going to straighten up the kitchen.
Adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, if I may.
Now that the kitchen's clean, it's time to run the vacuum. Okay, so now that the whole house is clean, I still have 2 rooms I need to vacuum, the bedroom and then my YouTube room. But the vacuum's on the charger right now, so I can vacuum those like while dinner's cooking and while we're eating dinner. So while I'm just waiting for the dishwasher to be done and the dryer to be done, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on dinner by mincing a shallot and mincing a garlic.
Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Okay, so what I did is I oiled my pan, my chicken legs, and I salt and peppered my chicken legs. And then after I cut up all my veggies, I put them in this bowl and coated them with olive oil. Now I'm just gonna put these on top of my chicken legs. Then I'll just cover the pan with aluminum foil. Now my oven was preheated to 400 degrees and now I'm just going to set a timer for 45 minutes. I do think that these are going to take a little bit longer just because they're a lot thicker than the ones I normally make. But I'm still going to check at 45 just in case. I think they're going to take an hour though. And then for the sweet potatoes, this is our favorite brand. It's the Alexa frozen waffle cut sweet potato seasoned fries. I'm just gonna follow the directions on the back of the bag for those. So I did end up having to cook my chicken at 400 for an hour. As you can see, I've just pulled it off the bone. It's with my sweet potato fries. I'm gonna dip them both in honey mustard. The chicken is super moist and flavorful. And of course, I love the sweet potato fries. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel. If you would like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.